In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a store to your GoDaddy website step by step. If you already have a website built with GoDaddy and you're ready to start selling products online, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process in a simple and beginner-friendly way. By the end of this video, you'll have your online store added and ready to start listing products. If you find this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future website and business tutorials. Now, let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is sign in to your GoDaddy account. Open your browser, go to godaddy.com, and click on the Sign In button at the top right corner. Enter your email address and password associated with your account, then complete the login process. Once you're signed in successfully, you'll be taken to your GoDaddy dashboard, where you can manage your products and services. Next, go to My Products. You can find this section in your account dashboard. Under My Products, look for the Website Builder section. Here, you'll see a list of websites connected to your account. Locate the website where you want to add the store and click on it to open the management options. After selecting your website, click on Edit Website. This will launch the GoDaddy website editor. Depending on your internet speed, it may take a few seconds to fully load, so just wait until the editor appears on your screen. Once it loads, you'll be able to see your website layout and all the customization tools. Now, here's the important part. Scroll down within the editor interface, and you should see a pop-up or section related to the online store. In many cases, GoDaddy will show a prompt with the title Online Store and an option that says Add Products or something similar. Click on that option to begin setting up your store. Once you click Add Products, you'll be guided to the store setup area. Here, you can start adding your products one by one. Click on Add Product, then enter the product name, description, and price. Make sure your product title is clear and descriptive. In the description section, explain what the product is, its features, and any important details your customer should know. You can also upload product images. High-quality images are very important because they help customers understand what they're buying. Click on the image upload area and select photos from your computer. If your product has variations, like different sizes or colors, you can set those up as well within the product options. After entering all the necessary details, save the product. You can repeat this process to add as many products as you want to your store. Take your time to review pricing, descriptions, and images to make sure everything looks professional. Once you've finished adding your products, make sure to publish your website. Look for the Publish button in the top corner of the editor and click it. This step is very important because your changes won't be visible to visitors until the site is published. And that's it. You've successfully added a store to your GoDaddy website. Now your visitors can browse your products and start making purchases. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.